And walk. And why don't you go past the blue pole and then hang a left and pick up a flat walk? Very nice. Don't take the jump. Go ahead up on the white bridge at a walk. You want to side pass the Z? That was nice. Yes, please. Good job, Bridget. And then you're just going to go, I'd like you to flat walk that way. Hi, Cleo. You want to take that little red jump? Nice job. Then maybe hang a left and go up on the skinny bridge. That's pretty narrow. She's going to grab a little snack. Whoops. Good fix. Hi, baby. Oh, that's narrow. Nicely done. All right, you're going to come off straight and pick up a running walk. Good. And then maybe go around the white bridge in reverse directions. Good. Go ahead and pick up a canter. And I'd like you to go to the double elevated bridge. You can walk down the hill. Yes, you're very cute. Nice. Can you smile for the camera, Cleo? Hi, baby. All right. Now you're going to go up and over. Nice. And through the tires. Right here. Good.